was a concentration camp, and I knew that people got killed there, and mostly Jews, and only a small percentage of gypsies and Poles and other people got killed there, like homosexual. It's a common thing what people talk about because it's such a big thing that happened in history, and everyone who I speak to, they know or they can associate with Auschwitz. Because I'm a gypsy, I think I got more to do with the fact that they killed they killed gypsies, didn't they? And I'm a gypsy, and it was like if that ever happened 20 or 30 or 40 years later, then I would have been in that camp if I was living in Poland. So
we just went to the Auschwitz place. Yeah. Oh man, it was horrible.
Interesting.
It was good to know what happened and things like that, but it was horrible. I'm still going for Barbary girl. We're going to the next one now. Man, there's a massive room, and I mean it was huge, like a big massive hallway, wall, full of hay.
10 ton. 2 ton of hay.
2 ton of hay. Yeah, well, we're going to the gypsy one now. There was little baby shoes, everything.
And little baby shoes. And if you was pregnant, you get killed.
And do you know if you was pregnant, you wasn't allowed to stay alive, you had to go and get beaten straight away.
And all the disabled, like the fake
and all the disabled people.
And the braces.
And the legs and things like that, the braces and stuff like that.
Actually, a tall guy, I think.
All them. Right, I'm going to go because everyone else wants to ring.
Saints.
Alright? Alright, Charlie, love you.
The prisoners had to stand here 19 hours without food, without water, and it was July.
It was an evil place run by evil people. More and more people need to know about it so that it doesn't happen in the future. The babies who went there and got killed, obviously, because they wasn't fit enough or strong enough to work, obviously. And then the twins were they were examined by doctors because they wanted to know how it was that shocking that is, because they was taken away from their mothers, and then they was examined on poked and probbed and all that stuff. Children, pregnant women, getting killed as well in the gas chambers as soon as they got there, and some people even drowned their babies so they never got killed.
He was also, for example, trying to change colour of prisoners' eyes by injecting chemicals to the eyes. Because for the Nazis, the perfect human being was German or Austrian, had blue eyes and blonde hair.
Hitler did kill millions and millions, and only 21,000 gypsies got killed there. That is a lot. They need to go there to get a better understanding and how their life is so much better than their life, and not take things for granted and stuff. You need to experience it. In my opinion, anyway, you need to experience it because there's people getting killed. Someone said about the gas chambers not being allowed to go in the gas, you shouldn't be allowed to go in the gas chambers. There's children getting killed everywhere, dropping on the floor, getting killed everywhere. And the gas chambers is where they lived their last moments. So I just thought it was really good that we went in there. Gypsies should visit because nowadays people take things for granted, like I said already, and if they went there they'd have more knowledge about what happened to the older generation. They should respect their elders as well because they've been through a lot of torment.
Women, some of them had to make extremely
in order to save your own
yes,
life.
and you're not sure that you're going to survive.
It was people.
So there were women who decided to give babies to the elderly people, and then those women were pretending that they were brought here alone.
And I am glad I came on it because it was one of the best experiences of my life, even though it was upsetting. So. Well, I remember that 90% of the population that was in there was Jews, and then the rest was mixed between Gypsies, Poles, and homosexuals and Russians. And like there was the tour guide was saying that there was brothels there and stuff like that, which is like sick. He was getting people from the Channel Islands, which is 12 miles away from Britain, so he's really close. He wasn't that far. If he would have carried on a couple of years more, he would have been in Britain. And then I wouldn't exist really, would I? If they would have got the Gypsies in Ireland, in Britain.